Welcome to the 6th episode about fountain modeling. In this episode I will show you how to add color variation using decals in our fountain. I will use the fantasy and medieval architecture pack for this, but there are many other packs where you can find a good decals. There's a good moisture decal called Pebble in the materials. Put it into the scene and scale it so the decal only covers the bottom of the fountain. Once the material was in place, I decided that it was too clear and could benefit from reducing its transparency. To do this, I double-click on the decal material, double-click on the parent material, and there I find the alpha of the puddle and reduce its brightness. Thanks to this procedure, our decal nicely combines two textures and gives the object realism. Then I duplicate the decal and drag it to the top of the fountain to add the detail there as well. I experiment with the arrangement and scale of the decal to obtain the most satisfying effect. When I was satisfied with the results, I noticed that the water particle was falling outside the fountain area, so I entered the Niagara settings and changed max lifetime in initialize particles. Now I upload the decal called Dirt and adjust its size and position to break up the uniformity of the texture. The decal works like a designed sticker, so we can freely rotate it and scale the decal to obtain satisfactory results. We do the same as we did in the previous decal. We go to Material, Texture, and reduce the brightness value. Now I duplicate the decal and spread it around the fountain so there is no visible seams. I look at the fountain from all sides. I like the effect, so I can move on to the next step. The last thing we add to our fountain will be flowers in pots. To add good quality vegetation to our project, I recommend downloading and adding Quixel Bridge to Unreal Engine. If we do this, we open it and enter flower in the search engine. We select highest quality and download. I still have to log in. After doing this and downloading the flower package, click Export High Quality. After adding the package to our project, we look at what is there. We choose the flowers we're interested in and add them to the scene, scale them and fit them into the pot. I noticed that the level of detail does not behave well in this asset, so in Advanced tab I set which level of detail should be enforced. This way, we will always have the detailed version of the flower on the screen. I add one more plant without flowers to slightly cover the bottom of the pot, and then duplicate the set of plants for each pot. Before we finish this stage, I make some minor corrections to the decals. After doing this, we have a fountain with water, plants and decals ready to be thrown into the decorated stage. If you liked the episode, subscribe for more.